Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the FlexClip AI tutorial. So if you want to easily create social and promo videos, you can use FlexClip AI suites that includes a text to video, AI recreate, and auto edit. So now you can just start by opening the flexclip.com. So you'll see this interface right here. Now to create the promo or social videos, you can just go to the create options in here. You drop down and there will be the business category and you'll see the promo video. So click on that options. So in here you can create compelling promotional videos that will effectively market, advertise, and promote a product, service, or campaign. You can just here click on make a video promos. So in here you'll see lots of templates for promotion videos, but before you can use the templates here, you need to sign up into FlexClip first. So you can continue using your Google account like I do in here. So you can just explore and choose the templates that you want to use for your business promotion. For example, I'm going to use this one in here. You can click on customize, or you can also use AI recreate. So I'm going to click on the template first. Here you can also change the aspect ratio, whether it's for YouTube, Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok, or maybe Instagram posts. So I'm going to go with Instagram story size and I'm going to click on customize. Then you'll be directed to the editing page. In here you can just modify the video with your own brand. You can change the name of the brand in here, change the message, or maybe even change the video. So once you're done, you can just tap on export. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!